In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Facebook Messenger messages. If you're working inside Facebook's business tools and need to find your Messenger conversations quickly, this is a very simple process. Once you know where to look, you'll be able to open the right section and view your messages in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Facebook business account and that you're on the main business interface. From there, look for the inbox section. This is the area where Facebook gathers conversations and incoming messages from connected channels, so it's the first place you'll want to go when checking communication from customers, clients, or followers. Go ahead and click on Inbox. When you open it, you'll be taken to the messaging dashboard, where different types of conversations may be organized in one place. This section is useful because it centralizes your incoming communication, making it easier to manage messages without jumping between different tools. Once you're inside the inbox, the next step is to click on Messenger. This option filters the inbox so you can specifically view Facebook Messenger conversations. If your account is connected to multiple messaging channels, this step helps narrow things down and make sure you're looking only at Messenger messages rather than other inbox activity. After you click Messenger, you can now view the Facebook Messenger messages. At this point, your message threads should appear on the screen, allowing you to open conversations and review what has been sent. Depending on your account setup, you may see recent messages, older threads, or ongoing chats listed in the inbox panel. If you don't immediately see the conversation you're looking for, take a moment to check the visible message list carefully. In many cases, the messages are already there, but they may be grouped with other conversations in the inbox view. Staying inside the Messenger section helps make sure you're looking in the correct place. And that's it. To access Facebook Messenger messages, simply open Inbox, click on Messenger, and then view your conversations. It's a quick and straightforward workflow once you know the path. If you're managing customer communication through Facebook's business platform, this is one of the most important areas to become familiar with since it helps you keep track of incoming messages efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you access your Facebook Messenger messages with ease.